Bonjour à vous. Hello everyone. 7th grade students, I hope you all are fine. As you know, we have done the reading of chapter number 1. So today we will do the next topic of the grammar. As you know, in the previous video we have done this two topic and we have already done the exercise related to these two topics. Now today we will move to page number 13. There is a grammar topic is les articles. Okay, the article. All these articles have been explained in Mon livre de français 1 and 2. Means they are saying we have only done this article, but let us recall. We will recall it today. So we have basically four type of articles. First article, article definite. Definite article is the. The is your definite article. We have four type of article in French, four type of the in French also. Le, la, l apostrophe, les. I think you know, I hope you know this things. Now second article is indefinite article. Indefinite article is a, an and some. Okay, this is un. Un we use with masculine, une we will use with feminine, and des is with plurals. Okay, now next two article is article partitive and article contractive. So partitive article, please listen this carefully, this is not given in your book. So the partitive articles are formed in the same manner as the contractive article with the preposition of the, de. The preposition we have to take for the partitive article, but the meaning is different. The partitive article are used to denote us an unknown quantity of something, mainly eatables and drinks. So here we use the partitive article with the eatables and drinks where we don't know the quantity. Okay, here we use the partitive article. They are often translated as some. They are some also. Okay, now what are the article partitive? Let's see. These are the article partitive de, because you know the partitive article comes with the de, so de plus the will become du. This is the partitive article. This will use with masculine singular, the la will use with female, the l apostrophe use with the when the word starting with vowel or silent h, and de as used with the plural. The meaning of all these four words, all these four partitive article, the meaning of all this partitive article is some, and we use this word with the eatables and drinks. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, this is the partitive article. Now move on to the to your book. This partitive article I have explained to you just now. Somewhere we use definite article, this first one, and the third, this partitive article. Where we use definite and where we use partitive, I will explain you this also. So the partitive article and the article definite, where we use partitive article and where we use definite article. So we use partitive article when the quality is uncertain. We don't know about the quantity. Okay, where the we know about the quantity, there we use the definite article. Okay, one other thing, we use definite article with four words also. Aime means to like, deteste means to dislike, adore means to adore, prefere means prefer. So with these four words we use the le, la, l apostrophe and les, and other words we use partitive article. So first three article we have recalled. So we will do the exercise on the base of these three articles. Let's move to the exercise. So student, in your on your page number 18 in your book, please open page number 18 in your book. There is exercise number fifth exercise. As you know, we have already done first, second and third exercise in the previous video. Now move on to the fifth exercise. What is the fifth exercise? Fifth exercise is complete, means complete. Avek means with the article, partitive article and the definite article. Now I have explained this. So partitive article we will use with the eatables and drinks where we don't know the quantity, and definite article we use where we know the quantity, and with the four words I told you. Okay, now read this exercise. First is Al Ashret de Oif means egg. She is purchasing some eggs. We don't know the quantity here, so we use, and eggs is the eatables with eatables, and when we don't know the quantity, then we use the partitive article. So if I am here I am using partitive article. Okay, now B part. Il prend dash cafe. He takes some cafe. Now cafe is here. The quantity of cafe we don't know, so we are using cafe. Do we are using. Okay, here we are using they because OF is plurals, so with plurals we use des, and with the singular masculine, this is a singular masculine word that's why we are using due here. Okay, C part. Ma sir, my sister, name pa. I told you with the four word we are using article definite with the four word. What are the four words? Yes, these are the four words. Aime, deteste, adore, preferere. With this we use the LELA like this. Okay. So here is aime is using. Okay, so with this we use the definite article. So they is a masculine singular word, so we use le here. Okay, D part, je mange du rage means rice. Here we don't know the quantity, that's why we are using partitive article. And my friends mes amis mange du pain. And my friends eat some bread. Okay. E part, L prefer. With prefer we use article definite, so la, I am using la here. I hope this is clear. Please listen it again and again. Go to the rules, listen the rule, read the rules, only then you can able to do this exercise. I have written all the meaning in English also. Okay, now next exercise. Now student, we have done the article definite and article partitive. Now the next article is contracte article. In this article, au, al apostrophe and aux. The meaning of all four words is to the. Okay, it means au means au you use with the masculine singular, ala you use with the feminine singular, L apostrophe we use with word starting with vowel, and aux we use with the plurals. So we will do one more exercise related to this topic. So student, on page number 19 in your book, there is exercise number 7th. Complete avec la a, o, a, ala. All this word are, meaning of this word is to the. And next the, due, this all the word is some. The meaning of all this word is some. So somewhere you will use to the and somewhere you will use some. Okay, according to the sense. Here I have written in French and in English also. According to the sense, put the articles. First is j'invite mes amis. I invite my friends. Au restaurant. Au restaurant means at. Here at sense is using, so I am using au. Okay, so au will be here, and she speak two. Only two is a. Okay, she speak two. He is giving the flower to Mari. To Mari. Only two is a. Okay, only two is a. Le livre du. Du means professor. Of the. The meaning of this is some and of the also. Of the and some. The book of the professor is big. E part. J'entre à la université. I am entering to the university. Why L apostrophe is using? Because university is starting with the vowel. Now F part. Je cherche la photo de la grand-mère. I am searching the photo of the grandmother. This is of the. Le chapeau, the cap of the boy. So with masculine singular we use du, and of the sense is using. Tu écris, you write to the parents of Pierre. Pierre is the name of a person. So these are the article. Please do this exercise in your book. I have written all the meaning also. So student, we can do one more exercise today. On your page number 18, exercise number 4 it is. Fourth exercise. Accorder les adjective means you have to put the correct form of the adjective here. As you know, we have to change the words according to the male and female and plurals in French. So some words are given in bracket in your book. So check that words and change it accordingly. For example, first word is Seth Phil a bow. Bow is given. Bow is handsome, and Phil means is girl. With girl we can't use handsome. We have to use beautiful. And in French, the beautiful word is belle. So here we have to convert the bow into belle to put the correct form of the adjective. Here I am putting all the correct form for you. Please do this exercise in your book also, and I have also written the English meaning. So I think this will be easy for you. So today we have done the exercise number 4th, 5th and 7th, and exercise number 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 6th, 8th and 11th exercise we have already done. So do these exercise in your book also. Okay students, au revoir, à bientôt, see you soon.